students, in this session we are going to deal with grammar subject, and in that we are going to study about conjunctions. What we are going to study? About conjunctions. Okay? See, this is a new concept. So, listen carefully. Okay? Be ready. Okay? Conjunctions. What is mean by conjunctions? See, here is the definition. Conjunction. Okay. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentence. Conjunctions means what? Or when we use the conjunctions? Conjunctions we use to join two words or two group of words or two sentences, short sentences. Okay? Listen again. Conjunction connects. What conjunction connects? Words or group of words or short sentences. Understood? See, from the conjunctions in this standard, we are going to learn only 4 conjunctions, that are or, and, but, because. Understood? Which we are going to study now. When we can use or, when we can use and, when we can use but, and when we can use because. Okay? See, first or. Or is a conjunction. When we can use it? See, we use or to show a choice between 2 or more options. Means suppose we have 2 options, and from that options we are going to choose any one. At that time, giving options we use or. See the example for understanding. What would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? See, here are 2 options for you. You are going to prefer chocolate or an ice cream. I know your answer is both. Yes, no? Okay. See, you are going to choose an ice cream or a chocolate. 2 options are there, so we use or. Understood? See the next. Next is and. When we can use and? See here. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. Here, the similar ideas when we are going to join, we use and. Or when we are going to add extra information, at that time we use and. See the example. The dog is faithful and intelligent animal. See, how is the dog? Dog is faithful. This is one word who shows how is the dog. Okay. And intelligent. Intelligent is another word who adds the information about dogs. So we use and here. Understood? See the next. But. When we can use but? We use but to show a difference or an opposite ideas. Opposite meaning ideas or show difference. At that time we use what? But. We use but. Okay? See the example. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. See, in the first part of sentence, what? Rohan plays well means he is a good player, but he is an impatient player. Means in this first part of sentence, here is a good thing about Rohan, and we describe some negative qualities of Rohan. Means here is the difference of the qualities of Rohan. So we use but. Understood? See the next. Because. When we use because to give the reasons. When we are going to give reasons, we definitely use because. Okay. See the example. Varun is sad. Why Varun is sad? Because he has lost his new pen. Understood? Now open your textbook on page number 66 for better understanding. Conjunctions. Read the following sentences. The grapes are fresh. The grapes are sweet. The grapes are fresh and sweet. Mohan is short. Mini is tall. Mohan is short but Mini is tall. Varun is sad. He has lost his new pen. Varun is sad because he has lost his new pen. You can have a tea. You can have a coffee. You can have tea or coffee. See here. The words and, but, because, and, or are joining words. They are called conjunctions. Here is the definition. Okay. Now conjunctions are joining words. They join words, groups of words or sentences. Okay. See. The first question. Question A. Underline the conjunctions in these sentences. I went to the market and bought 2 pencils, which is the conjunction and. The tortoise was slow but steady. But is the conjunction in this sentence. You can go to the circus or watch the magic show. Or see the next. Meera could not complete the work because she was lazy. Because the jug is empty but that is full. This mug is empty but that is full. But okay, students, you have to solve remaining ones. See the next. Let us learn how to join sentences with and. Okay. Varun has a bat. Arun has a ball. See how we can use and. Varun has a bat. Write the first sentence as it is. Instead of the full stop, write and. Arun has a ball. And then write second sentence as it is. But just remove the full stop. Understood? Sham likes coffee. He drinks it every day. Sham likes coffee. Remove the full stop. And he. Here is the name of another boy. So we wrote a capital. But we combine 2 sentences. So H become small here. Understood? So Sham likes coffee and he drinks it every day. See here. Now next, join these sentences with joining word and. Okay. Mona has a pen. Sona has a pencil box. How? Answer is Mona has pen as it is. Remove the full stop. Write and Sona has a pencil box. Mona is one girl. Sona is another one. So write as capital. Write this sentence as it is. Okay. See the next. She loves books. She reads every day. She loves books. Write this sentence as it is. Remove the full stop. Write and S become here small. She reads every day. Understood? The baby is happy. He is playing. Write this sentence. The baby is happy as it is. Remove the full stop. Write and H become small. He is playing. These two you have to solve. Okay. See the next. Let us learn how to join sentence with the joining word but. Lata ran fast. She missed the school bus. Lata ran fast, but she missed the school. See, remove the full stop and S becomes small. Meera is a good girl. Her brother is naughty. Meera is a good girl. Remove the full stop. But her brother is naughty. Okay. Now next question. Join the following sentences with the help of the joining word but. Mona is short. Remove the full stop. But Tina is tall. Tina. T should be capital. Now next. Reena came last in the race, but she is not sad. Remove the full stop. S becomes small. Understood? Remaining examples you have to solve. See the next. Let us learn how to join sentences with the help of the joining word because. Tanu could not drink the tea. It was hot. See, Tanu not drink the tea. Remove the full stop. Right, because it was hot. Okay. See, how we can solve? We have to get up early. We have school tomorrow. Write this sentence as it is. We have to get up early. Remove the full stop right here because and write W in small form. We have to school tomorrow. Okay. Now, I could not do my homework. I was not well. I could not do my homework. Write as it is. Remove the full stop right here because. Okay. And write I was not well. Okay. And remaining you have to solve. Now next one, learn how to join sentences with the help of the joining word or. Have your breakfast quickly. You will miss the school bus. Remove the full stop. Right. Or Y become small. Have your breakfast quickly or you will miss the school bus. See the question. Don't talk loudly. The baby will wake up. Don't talk loudly. Remove the full stop. Right or the small T capital. T becomes small. The baby will wake up. Drink the milk quickly. Remove the full stop or it I become small. It will get cold. Understood? See the revision. Let's revise. Words. Hi, I am a conjunction. I am joining words. Group of words sentences. Understood? You have to solve these pages and write in notebook and send me photocopy. Thank you.